So you'll need your Q-tips, paint and a canvas. So I decided to go in with the green first to create some grass at the bottom of my painting, and I just went in with the Q-tip, rubbed it on top of the paint stick and created my little dots. Now I had paint sticks, but you can just use any type of paint if you want to, and in the end I ended up actually using the paint sticks as bigger dots and it looked pretty cool. So if you want to try that, you could try that. And for the pattern I was doing, I decided to go in again with the Q-tip and the paint, just to go in between those bigger circles because I think it looked a lot better. Once I was finished doing my grass, I then started painting the stems of my flowers. So I just went up in a straight line, slightly curving it, and added some leaves to it as well. Once I'd done the stems of my flowers, I started to make the petals and the actual flower. So I got the paint sticks and made the buds in the middle, and then went around with a different colour and just created the outline of the flower shape. Once I created the outline of the petals, I decided to go in and cover the petals completely with more dots, and it just looked really cool. And once I've finished filling in all the petals, I was finished. Now you can add more to it, you can add less, you can do whatever design, whatever shapes that you like. This is just an idea that I did and I love it.